Hi everyone, so today I have a very special video to share with you guys. It's going to be a Louis Vuitton unboxing. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the Louis Vuitton Lockme tender, and this bag comes with a beautiful Louis Vuitton chain. It has a turn lock closure right here, and it also comes with a crossbody strap. As you can see, this bag is so beautiful, you guys. I really love the turn lock closure. And there's so many reasons why I purchased this bag. I'll show you the chain in a little more detail. There is no back slip pocket on this bag, but that's okay. Because for me, there are quite a few reasons that I feel make it quite functional. So I'm going to go over those with you right now. So I really wanted this bag because I hadn't purchased a Louis Vuitton bag at all this year. And I don't think I did in 2022 either. What I really loved about this is that you don't really see it too often. I mean, you see the monogram print, you see Speedy 20s, for example, you see the popular loop bags, and a lot of Louis Vuitton bags can be very trendy and very common. But for me personally, in my area, I haven't seen anyone carrying this bag before, and that was really important to me. I didn't want a bag that everyone else had. I really wanted something that was timeless and sophisticated. In 2021 and 2022, I found that I was really going for bags that were very in the moment. I've made quite a few impulsive purchases, and I've ended up either having to sell or return those items, which I really would prefer not to do that. I've always been the kind of person that would rather have just maybe 5 or 6 handbags in their collection. So this is just a gentle reminder for you guys that if the time is right, what's meant for you will be for you. And yeah, I think that this really fits my aesthetic. This is just symbolic of what I want for my life, you know what I mean? I'm not sure if you guys feel that way too, like if you have a piece that really speaks to you. But for me, the Lockme tender really speaks to me. The engraving here, it says Louis Vuitton. This is quite spacious. You could probably put a wallet in here. And then there's also an inner slot, perhaps for a credit card or a card holder. And then you have the main compartment. The sticker is still on here as well. I don't know when I'm going to remove it, you guys. Like, to be honest, I'm probably not going to take this off as of yet. Not until I use this bag. Right now in Toronto, it's still quite cold outside and it's still snowy here. So I'm not going to use this until spring. But I really like this bag. I mean, it's so special. I think this chain also is very functional, you guys, because I'll be able to use this on my Louis Vuitton Alma BB and the Damier B in print as well. And I do plan on getting just one more Louis Vuitton bag to fulfill my wish list. And I'm going to use this chain on that bag too. So very happy with that. Now let's go into some detail about the crossbody strap. So this has Louis Vuitton engraved here. I really love this blue detail. I think that's very different. I think that's a lot better than it just being fully taupe. This color is called Greige, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it does mean beige and gray. It's like a crossover type of color. But it's so beautiful, you guys. I could really see myself using this bag and going from day to night with it. I mean, the fact that it comes with a chain makes it quite dressy. Also, with the crossbody strap, you can adjust this as well. It has buttons here to adjust the length. So you could turn this into a shoulder bag, crossbody bag. Here you could dress it up or dress it down. And I just really love it, you guys. It's so pretty. Okay guys, so I do have a number of items here that I'm just going to try to fit. These are some of my daily essentials for spring. So we're just going to open her up. And first things first, we have my phone. The phone cannot fit in the front pocket. It's just a little bit too long, just by like a couple millimeters. So I'm just going to slide that into the back here. Then we have my hand sanitizer. This, I'm a little bit nervous about carrying in my bag without a bag organizer, just because this microfiber lining seems quite delicate, but okay, so I'll put this in the front pocket for now, and we'll see what I do. Then we have my compact mirror. This is really cute. Put that in. Next, we have my 6-key holder. So that fits in nicely. Then we have my wallet. Lipstick, this is by Fenty Beauty. This is in the color She's a CEO. And one of my favorite perfumes, which is by Replica. And it's called Autumn Vibes. I definitely should get a different one because we are in spring, but I just love this scent so much. So we'll just fit that on top. And this is what it looks like. So we're just going to close her up. Now, by the way, my essay did tell me that sometimes getting the turn lock closed, it takes a little bit of getting used to, like right now actually. Like, I assume that if this part is too far out, you might have some trouble closing it. So that's exactly what's happening right now. Let me take out the hand sanitizer. And see, if I take out the hand sanitizer, it's absolutely fine. If you guys are wondering, by the way, if I'm worried about it getting scratched, my answer is no. I'm not, because I'm very careful with my bags, and if this does get a little bit scratched here and there, I don't mind, because I'm only mainly going to be using this in the spring and summer. So I don't think it's going to get a lot of wear on it, and if it does, I can always update you if that's something you're interested in. But yeah, let's see if I can fit the hand sanitizer on the top. Okay, so yeah, that does fit. There we go. Okay, so now I have the adjustable leather strap hooked onto the bag. And this strap, I have to say, you guys, is super comfortable. And it's so pretty. Like, if you wanted to, you could actually turn it around as well to give you a little bit of a different look. But I will say that this part actually like bunches up a little bit if I turn it around like this. Do you see what it's doing here? It's making like a bit of a loop. So I'd actually have to try on this option to see if it'll work. But it's just so comfortable, you guys. Like, oh, I love this bag so much. Words cannot describe like how happy I am with this bag. You could even hang the chain as well if you really wanted to. So I'm going to put the chain back on and show you. But yes, like, absolutely beautiful, you guys. I just feel so lucky and blessed to be able to have this into my collection. If I look back to when I was a a kid, like, I loved Louis Vuitton so much. Like, Louis Vuitton was my very first handbag purchase, believe it or not. And I carried that thing everywhere. It was actually a Speedy 25. So yeah, super excited. I think what I'm most happy for is that you could actually fit like a good amount of things. I was comparing this bag to the Felici or to other like leather bags, and I just decided to go for this and splurge and, spend the extra funds needed to buy the bag because I want to have a bag that I'll love forever. And like I said, I could see myself carrying this bag in my 20s, 30s, 40s. I mean, it's just a very versatile style. I see this being so timeless.